Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English story. In this video, you will practice listening and the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The story is called He Texted Me at 2 a.m. My name is Elena. I am 25 years old, and I work as a receptionist in a small hotel near the sea. I like my job because I meet many people, but my life is usually quiet and simple. I live alone, and most nights I go to bed early. But one night changed everything. It was 2 a.m. I was sleeping when my phone suddenly vibrated. I opened my eyes and looked at the screen. There was a message from a name I did not expect. Daniel. We had not spoken for 6 months. Daniel and I met last summer. He stayed at the hotel for 2 weeks. We talked every day. We walked on the beach at night. He said I was special. But when he left, everything slowly stopped. His messages became shorter. Then one day, they stopped completely. I was hurt, but I never asked why. I told myself to move on. And now, at 2 a.m., he texted me. The message said, "Are you awake?" My heart started beating fast. I stared at the screen. I did not reply. Then another message came. "I'm in your city. I need to see you." I sat up in my bed. My mind was full of questions. Why now? Why after 6 months? What does he want? I typed a message. I deleted it. I typed again. Finally, I wrote, "Why?" He replied almost immediately, "Because I made a mistake." I did not know what to feel. Part of me was angry. Part of me was curious. He sent another message. "Can we talk? Just for 5 minutes." I looked at the time. 2:14 a.m. I should say no. But instead I wrote, "Where are you?" He sent an address, a small cafe near the beach, the same place we used to go last summer. I got dressed slowly. I told myself, I will just listen, nothing more. The night air was cool. The streets were empty. The sea was quiet. When I arrived, I saw him sitting alone. He looked tired, older. He stood up when he saw me. "Elena, thank you for coming." We sat in silence. Finally, he spoke. "I was scared," he said. "I met someone else. I thought it was better. I was wrong." I listened without speaking. "I never forgot you," he continued. "I think about you every night." I felt something inside me break and heal at the same time. I asked one question. "Why did you disappear without a word?" He looked down. I was a coward. The truth was simple and painful. He reached for my hand. "I want another chance," he said softly. I looked at him. Then I slowly pulled my hand back. I said, "You came back because you were lonely, not because you were brave." We stood up. I thanked him for being honest. Then I walked away. This time my phone stayed silent. And for the first time in months, I felt calm. Sometimes people come back not because they love you, but because they lost something else. And learning when to walk away is a form of self-respect. Now listen to the story again. Pause after each sentence and repeat, using the shadowing technique. This is how you improve your English speaking skills. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stories.